Okay, so we're back. So we talked about the vertex. Now we're going to talk about the lines as well. So in here, this shape here is not, if you look at the LM line and MO line, these are not parallel. So you can see they're going into what almost we call like a V shape. So therefore they're going to be meeting somewhere. So if they meet, then they are not parallel lines. So this is trapezoid, and then in here we have L, M, O, N. So therefore the name of this trapezoid is LMON. That's just the name of it. And then this here, we call it side LM because it's connecting these two. This is OM because it's connecting these two. This is ON because it's connecting these two. This is NL because it's connecting these two. Okay, so these are some of the things that we can look for when we're trying to describe a shape. So a quick review, we look at the length. If we have this guy over here and this guy over here, it means these two lines have equal length. And then this line and this line have an equal length. This is parallel to this, and this is a parallel to this. So this parallelogram showing me four parallel sides. So these are two parallel to each other, and then the other ones are parallel to each other. And then when we go down, we have ABC as the name of the triangle, and then we have the sides named according to my vertex. So this is vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. So therefore the names came from here. That's vertex L, M, O, and N. Okay, so basically this is the way that we describe different shapes. And then we can look at these examples here and find all the different sides. So if we look at the length of a square, as you can see, square has all of these marks and they're all the same thing. It means a square has four equal sides. Okay, so that's what it means because a square does have four equal sides. Okay, I'm going to erase this to give me room a little bit here. Okay, and then when we look at a triangle or rectangle, for example, this one here and this one are similar, so therefore they are the same length. This and this are similar, so therefore they are the same length. Okay, so we can describe geometry shape by telling the attribute. The attribute of these, we look at the little signs that we see. Okay, when we go down a little bit, we can look at the direction. So in here, we have parallel, parallel, because it has those signs, where that one here has nothing in it. Doesn't have any parallel, so therefore it doesn't have parallel sides. If it has names to the vertex, then we could name it, but in this case, we're looking only at the direction of the sides. These lines will never meet. And then if these lines will never meet, then this is a parallel sides. This one here, the lines are meeting. As you can see, this is meeting with this is meeting with this, and so on. So you don't have any parallel sides. Okay, now to practice, write 3 different attributes for each shape. So looking at this one here, what kind of attributes do we have? And then this one here, what attributes do we have? I'm going to leave this so we can do this together in our lesson. Okay, but I will pause the video so you guys can have a chance to look at it, but I will go over this with you. Okay,